Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss sequence and series chapter. So before going to discuss these questions, first we discuss what is series and sequence actually. The series and sequence you have already known in class 11. This is known as a sequence A1, A2, A3 dot 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 and this is the sequence. It has some definite rules. Sequence has some definite rules, and series this is known as a series. This is known as a series of finite series. It has sometimes it is infinite series and infinite sequence is also found. There is some definite rules how sequences consist, but there is no need to definite formula for nth terms and sum of the nth terms. No need definite formula for nth terms and sum of the nth term, but there is definite rules of the numbers. In sequence, there is a plus minus or plus minus. There is plus minus, that is an infinite series. If it is infinite, if it is infinite, then it goes to in this way. That is known as an infinite series. Here another thing, an or tn is known as the nth term or general term of the sequence, any sequence or any series. And Sn is always represent sum of first nth terms of the series or sequence. This is the main thing of this sequence and series chapter. That is the preliminary idea. So give the preliminary idea. Now we are going to discuss some small problems which is important from JEE Mains series and sequence. Let y is equal to fx is a sequence such that f of x plus y is equal to this, where f1 is equal to this, and number 2, this find the value of f5 where x and y are the natural numbers. X are the natural numbers. How to solve these problems we are discussed in details. First, we have to find f of 5. So, number 1, given f x plus y is equal to fx plus fy. Put x is equal to y is equal to 1. Then this implies we get f1 plus 1 is equal to f1 plus f1 is equal to what? F1 is given 3 plus 3. This implies we get 6. That means we get, this implies we can say that f of 2 is nothing but 6. Again, put x is equal to y is equal to 2. This implies f of 2 plus 2 is equal to f of 2 plus f of 2. This equal to f of 2 is equal to what? F of 2 is equal to 6 plus 6, so 12. This implies we can say that f of 4 is equal to what? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is equal to what? 12. That's the technique. Now we have to find f of 5. Therefore, f of 5 is equal to what? F of 1 plus 4. By this rule, we get f of 1 plus f of 4. Now what happens? F of 1 is equal to what? F of 1 is equal to given 3. plus f of 4 of we have already defined this equal to 12. This implies we get 15. That means we get f of 5 is equal to what? 15. That is the result of this question. Another question is given, number 2. F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. Similarly, we put x is equal to y is equal to 1. This implies f of 1 plus 1 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 1 is equal to f of 1 is equal to what? Given 3. In second question also 3 plus 3. This implies 6. This implies f of 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to what? We get 6. No. Sorry. This is equal to f of 1 into f of 2. F of 1 into f of 1. This implies f of 1 is equal to what? 3. This equal to 3. This implies 9. This implies we get f of 2 is equal to 9. Again, put x is equal to y is equal to 2. This implies f of 2 plus 2 is equal to f of 2 into f of 2. This implies f of 2 is equal to what? We get 9, and f of 2 is equal to 9, therefore we get 81. This implies f of 4 equal to what? F of 4 equal to 81. Now we have to find f of 5. Therefore, f of 5 is equal to f of 1 plus 4 is equal to f of 1 into f of 4. F of 1 is given 3. And we have already find f of 4 is equal to what? 81. After multiplication we get 3, 24. This implies we get f of 1 plus 4 equal to what? 5 is equal to 243. That is the result. That's a very simple problems. How, that is the technique. We have to know the technique how to solve these types of problems. Discuss very simple problems, series and sequence. Question is given, let Sn equal to n square plus 6n plus 1. Find Tn, T6 and S3. Sn is the sum of the first nth term of any series. Now we have to use here one concept. This concept already you have to know. An, or sometimes this is equal to Tn. That is the nth terms, or sometimes it is known as a general term. What is Tn? Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. That is the concept. Very important concept. Tn is found by sum of nth terms minus sum of first n minus 1th terms. That is the concept. To use this concept. That is solution. As and first we have to Tn. Therefore Tn is equal to what? By this concept, Sn minus Sn minus 1. This implies Sn, that is nth terms. What is Sn? Sn is given n square plus 6n plus 1 minus s of n minus 1. If n equal to n minus 1, then we get n minus 1 whole square plus 6n minus 1 plus 1. After calculation we get n square plus 6n plus 1 minus n square minus twice n plus 1 plus 6n minus 6 plus 1. this is equal to n square plus 6n plus 1 minus n square plus twice n minus 1 minus 6n plus 6 minus 1. Then n square goes out. 6n goes out. Therefore we get twice n only. And 1 goes out. Then 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And that is the first, that is the T. That's the technique. We use this concept. So we have to remember this concept. A very important concept. Next, we have to find T6. Therefore, T6 is nothing but put n is equal to 6. N is equal to 6. Then we get this. That means 2 into n is equal to what? 6 plus 5. This is equal to 12 plus 5. This is equal to 17. And next we have to find S3. S3 is Sn is given, so S3. Therefore S3 is equal to what? S3. Put n is equal to 3. Then we get 3 square plus 6n. 6 into 3. Sorry. Plus 1. This implies 9. 18 plus 1. This is equal to 28. That is the solution of the problem. So we have to find Tn, T6 and S3. That is the concept using another types of questions. Question is this. So that the sum of m plus nth terms and m minus nth terms of an AP series, is equal to twice of mth terms. Before going to discuss these problems, what is AP? AP is what? A plus D, A plus twice D, that known as the AP series, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. That is, this minus this we get D, and this minus this we get D. That is the rule. Second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term, always equal to constant, or which is known as the D. D is known as the common difference. That is the AP. Solutions, let A equal to first term of AP. D common difference of AP. Now given sum of these terms and this term, that means T of m plus n plus T of m minus n. Sum of m plus n term and m minus n terms. By formula we know that is the standard, this is the concept. Tn is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 equal to D. That is the concept of nth term of an AP series. Therefore, we get that is the sum, that is the sum. Sum, therefore that is Tn. S n is equal to what? N by 2 equal to twice A plus n minus 1 into D. That is another concept of sum of first nth terms. Here we are given sum of the nth terms, m minus nth term and m minus nth term. That is these things. By using this formula, then we get what is the first term, A plus m plus n minus 1 into D, plus here A plus m minus n minus 1 into D. That is by that formula, that concept. This is equal to what? twice a plus, we take common d, then we get m plus n minus 1 plus m minus n minus 1 into d. Then n cancel, then we get twice a plus d into twice m minus 2. If we take common 2, then we get a plus m minus 1 into d. This is equal to what? 2 into this is equal to t. Tm is equal to what? Tm is equal to a plus m minus 1 into this is the Tm. By this formula, that is we get twice of Ms. We are going to discuss another AP series. Given this is equal to AP series, and where ai is greater than 0, I belongs to n also satisfy these conditions. Satisfy these conditions, we have to find the values of lambda. Where given this is non-zero, here with AP series, so there is a one concept. What concept? A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to dot 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 dot. What? An minus 1 is equal to what? D. That is the constant which is known as the common difference of the AP series. That is the concept or definition of AP series. That means we get an minus 1 is equal to what? D. Now solutions given A1, A2 plus 1 by A2, A3 plus 1 by A3, A4 plus dot 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 plus 1 by an minus 1 into an. If we multiply this 1 by d, then we get d by a1, a2 plus 1 by a2, a3 d by a3, a4 plus dot 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 plus d by an minus 1 into an. This is equal to 1 by d. Therefore, we can write by this form, this concept, a2 minus a1 divided by a1, a2 plus a3 minus a2 divided by a2 into a3 plus a4 minus a3 divided by a3 into a4 dot 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 dot. Here an minus 1 divided by an minus 1 into an. This is equal to, we can write this by this we get 1 by a1 minus here we get 1 by a2 plus 1 by a2 minus 1 by a3 plus 1 by a3 minus 1 by a4 dot 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 plus 1 by an minus 1 minus 1 by an. From from here we see, observe, these cancel, these cancel, this will be cancelled, and this will be cancelled. Then we get 1 by d. If we take LCM, then we get A1 AN, here AN minus A1. This equal to, we can write 1 by d. AN is equal to what? AN is equal to, we know AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is the first term. Here first term is equal to what? A1. Therefore, A1 plus N minus 1 into D minus A1 divided by A1 AN. This cancel. Then we get 1 by d into n minus 1 into d by a1 an. d cancel. Next, this equal to, we get n minus 1 by a1 an, which is given in the question, which is given n minus 1 into log of lambda divided by a1 an. Given. This is equal to, we get 1 equal to log of lambda. This can be written as log of 10 into 10 is equal to log of 10 into lambda. And that is the formula by log. Therefore, we get this implies lambda is equal to what? 10. That is the result of this problem. That is the concept. We use this concept, and so we use this concept also. Thank you.